Hit up everyone, doing eBay box break 152, 1112 Ultimate. Here's your last team auctioned off. Alright, good luck to everyone. There's your serial number. Alrighty. Here we go. First off, for the Montreal Canadiens, base of Patrick Waugh out of 399. Ultimate rookie for the Islanders, David Ulstrom out of 399. Decoy. And autograph ultimate rookies for the Carolina Hurricanes, Justin Falk out of 299. And nice, here we go for the Oilers. Rookie jerseys trios, Ryan Nugent-Hopkins, Anton Lander, and Timo Harkkonen. Number 21 out of 50. Those, I don't know if we can see as good, but those jerseys are all crazy on Nugies. Nice card. Alright, thanks everyone for joining. Hope to see you next time.